Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a tool that every car owner should have in their garage: the Dent Puller and Removal Kit. If you've ever faced the frustration of a dent on your car, you know how bothersome it can be. But fear not, because this kit claims to be the best solution out there. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. This Dent Puller Kit by Auronp promises to make dent removal a breeze, utilizing a combination of durable materials and strong suction power. Priced at just $16.99, it's designed to be a cost-effective alternative to expensive body shop repairs. Made from high-quality ABS, natural rubber, and a sturdy metal core, this kit features a smooth handle and a spring-lock design for precise control. It's built to handle dents on various surfaces, not just cars, think furniture, doors, and even glass. Let's dive into how easy it is to use this kit. First, ensure the surface is clean and dry. Adjust the suction cup to the separated state, place it over the dent, and press down firmly. Once it's securely in place, retract the handle to lock it into position. Now, with a steady pull, watch as the dent pops right out. One of the standout features is its portability. It comes with 3 different sized pullers, perfect for tackling dents of all shapes and sizes. The large puller can handle up to 110 pounds horizontally and 77 pounds vertically, making it versatile and powerful. What sets this kit apart is its versatility beyond just car dents. It can be used for a variety of household tasks, like lifting glass or moving furniture. Plus, it's designed not to damage surfaces thanks to its soft rubber suction cups. So, is the Dent Puller Kit by Auronp worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone who wants to keep their car looking pristine, this kit offers an affordable, effective solution to those pesky dents. With its sturdy construction, easy operation, and versatility, it's no wonder it's flying off the shelves. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, I've left a link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. I'll see you next time.